Hello students, I am Annie Hendricks, the Field Experience Coordinator for the Mission Valley campus. I work with students to find placements in classrooms throughout San Diego County to complete your fieldwork observations. I just wanted to give you a short overview of what to expect when you take a course that requires fieldwork. This information is for when school districts have reopened and students will be in actual classroom settings. During the time that school districts are closed, fieldwork students will be completing videos in place of their classroom hours. One thing that stays the same, in order to get credit for your fieldwork hours, students are required to submit 3 fieldwork forms to me in TaskStream by the end of the quad. Teaching candidates at a minimum complete 80 hours of fieldwork before they apply for clinical practice or student teaching. This takes place in 4 different quads and 4 different classroom environments. Students are required to complete 20 hours of fieldwork each quad, and these hours must be completed within the dates of the quad. If you work in a school, you may be able to complete some of your hours at your school. However, PLNU has specific requirements for the school and for the host teacher, so you will need to work with me in order to find the best placement. You cannot begin fieldwork in a classroom until you have submitted your certificate of clearance, your TB test results, and liability insurance to soeadvising@pointloma.edu. For any fieldwork questions, you can go to our website at plnufieldexperience.com. There you will find information on prerequisites, the fieldwork application, and the fieldwork handbook. I hope you have a great quad, and I look forward to working with each of you when you're getting ready to do your fieldwork placements. Thank you.